If you struggle with blocked breathing, restless sleep, or a foggy mind, the answer might not be in medication but in how you breathe. Welcome back to our Shat Kriya journey. In the last lesson, we explored how these 6 ancient cleansing techniques work to purify your body from within. Today, we are diving into the first and perhaps most accessible Kriya, Neti. This nasal cleansing practice will transform how you breathe, how you think, and how your body eliminates toxins. Let's begin. Neti isn't just flushing your nose. When salt water passes through your nasal passages, it does 3 crucial things. First, it improves the function of your cilia, microscopic hair-like structures that move viruses, bacteria, and allergens out of your body. Second, it reduces inflammatory mediators like histamine and leukotriene, which means fewer allergies and congestion. Third, it stimulates your tear ducts and the olfactory nerve that connects directly to your brain. This is why ancient yogis believed Neti improves mental clarity. It's neurologically accurate. Jala Neti, water cleansing. Salt water flushes your nasal passages and regenerates your cilia, those microscopic defenders that trap viruses and allergens. Research shows it reduces cold duration by 2 to 4 days and sinusitis symptoms by 70% in just 2 weeks. Sutra Neti, the advanced move using a sterilized catheter. This removes nasal polyps, treats chronic allergic rhinitis, and opens passages no water can reach. It's deeper, it's more powerful. Requires teacher guidance. Practice 1 to 2 times monthly. Ghrita Neti, ghee lubrication. After water cleansing, warm ghee soothes inflammation, nourishes tissues, and heals dryness. It's your post-cleanse step. Gentle, healing. Used after Jala Neti. This is your first step in the Shat Kriya series. Next, we explore Dhauti, stomach cleansing. If you practice Neti this week, comment below and tell me how it feels. Better sleep, clearer mind, stronger breath. Namaste.